wait a moment, because I can show something. Wait, stop, 1 second. Okay,
He's gone rogue.
Wait. 1 second.
He's going to his magic hair bag.
Yeah, of course, everything I have here.
Your bag.
America. I forget it. Usually.
Welcome to Hairmergencies. I'm Salome and Dimitri.
I'm Dimitri. We are here to solve the mystery of fine limp hair.
Our viewers has left us some questions, so let's go get right to it. Okay, do you want to go first?
Yes. Why does my fine hair get greasy so fast, even when I just wash it? Usually we spend too much time to put too much product on the hair and less time washing it out. So I always suggest that 1 minute washing, 3 minutes wash out. So 1 minute shampooing, 3 minutes. So if there is some rest stays of shampoo, in fine hair it's easily, that's why it becomes greasy.
So not rinsed well enough.
Yes.
Nice.
So rinse well enough.
What are the best styling products that won't weigh my hair down? I think water-soluble products, so something that washes out of the hair easy. I wouldn't add more than 3 products, like just keep it minimal. So mousses, if you want volume, dry texturizing sprays.
You should choose if the hair it's wet or dry. So if you can layer many products, when it's just on wet hair, on dry hair, it becomes more difficult if we mix dry products with wet products. Like an emulsion with hairspray, then it's problem. Otherwise you can layer. Ingredients should I look for or avoid in shampoo for fine hair?
I think just avoid too heavy things, like, you know, masks or too moisturizing or too much protein, because people over keratinize their hair sometimes. So I think for fine hair, like some people like more a lighter shampoo, but some like volume shampoo. So you must figure it out what works for you.
It depends how it's, if
hair.
it's natural or not, or bleached. That's why, exactly.
Why won't curls hold on my fine hair no matter what I do?
This is wrong.
Do you wanna?
Yes, I have.
You wanna take
this
it?
Is, yeah, can I?
Yes.
Give it. No, this is wrong. Then it's definitely the wrong products, because I love really curls on fine hair and it lasts like all day long. I need a dry texturizer, a sea salt, the right shampoo and conditioner, and haircut.
So in short, the right prepping.
This is yours.
Can extensions work on fine hair without looking obvious? Or yes. My rule to extensions on fine hair is if you're only using extensions for volume and not for length. So you're only putting it in like 1 row of extensions, but your own hair is already long and you're just using it for volume, then I think extensions has a place. But if you're using it to bulk up your hair, I think it's so hard to hide it. You can't have too many extensions in fine hair because it actually just ends up looking like there's this chunk of hair and then it's so thin here still.
Do this one, wait a moment, because I can show something. I have the extensions. Wait, stop, 1 second. Okay,
He's gone rogue.
Wait. 1 second.
He's going to his magic hair bag.
Yeah, of course, everything I have here.
Your bag.
America, here. Like a hairdresser, I have it.
In your pocket.
For fine hair, it's important to, this is what you say, the sandwich. So you don't put the bondings, because if you put separate extensions, it's too heavy and can cause break. So you put here these extensions and you close like this, and so you have like 2-3 centimeters. So it's, the weight, it sits
it's
more homogeneous and sits better without use breakage.
Cool. Is it true that I should avoid conditioner if I have fine hair?
Answer. This is yours.
Definitely not true. I always believe shampoo opens the hair shaft, conditioner closes the hair shaft. It's important for longevity and to have care in your hair. But there is different ways of conditioner. You can use a spray-in conditioner. You don't have to use a heavy conditioner in the shower.
You can use also in the shower, but you don't use the conditioner like a shampoo from the roots to the length.
Exactly, just
so
on
the
the
mid
ends.
and the ends, and conditioner you have to use, of
and
course.
like you said earlier, with like rinsing it really, really well.
Yes, and rinse very well. How can I add volume to fine hair without teasing it into oblivion? Using dry shampoo, blow dry the hair upside down, heat straighten the hair. So
Also like
use
the
more
cool
coil.
shot?
Exactly,
Like
the cool
hot
shot.
air and then you
Hot
do
and then
cool
cold,
shot?
huh? So it
Yeah.
makes immediately volume. Rinse out with cold water.
Yeah,
It's
also helps.
very good. Don't wash too hot. Huh?
Yeah.
So, a color, haircut,
Products.
products. The haircut, if you want to put some layers on it with a razor, see us in our education video where we
Yeah.
show some razor techniques.
So do you have more mysteries tangled up in your roots?
We are here to support you, to answer every question that you have.
So please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, the only stupid question is the one that you didn't ask. See you next time.
Ciao!
Smash
This was
it.
a smash it.